The Birtechway Electric Pressure Washer delivers an impressive maximum of 4,000 pounds per square inch, ensuring it can tackle even the toughest cleaning jobs around your home and garden. Equipped with 4 independently rotating wheels, this pressure washer offers exceptional stability and maneuverability, allowing you to easily navigate various surfaces without the risk of tipping. Designed with professional-grade connections, the pressure washer features a durable metal garden hose connector and a 20-foot high-pressure hose to ensure there are no leaks during operation. With 4 interchangeable nozzles and a 500 milliliter foam cannon, the washer is versatile enough to handle a wide range of cleaning tasks, from light maintenance to heavy-duty scrubbing. Built with an upgraded power motor, this machine is engineered for durability and consistent performance, making it a reliable choice for long-term use. The robust construction of the Birtechway pressure washer ensures it can withstand rigorous cleaning demands, offering peace of mind for all your outdoor cleaning needs.